Hey everyone, my name is Carrie and I'm the team lead of the product training department here at Wellness Living. Today I'm going to show you an exciting feature for a new automated marketing template for new event announcement that'll be sent out to your clients automatically whenever you schedule a new event instance. To get started, we need to first head on over to the automated marketing setup section. To do that, we're going to head on over to the app drawer on the top left-hand corner and we're going to look for marketing. Once we click on marketing, we are now on this page where we can set up the different automated marketing templates that we have available. So to find the event announcement, we can scroll down and there's a section specifically for event announcement. And under that, we can go ahead and create multiple event announcement based on for a specific event or multiple events. So to do so, you would simply go ahead and go add new event announcement. And once we're in here, we can go ahead and set up the template name. So this is more reference for our internal staff so that we know what the template name is. We can switch up the description if we want to, so we know exactly what that description is for this specific event announcement. We can set up email send rules, such as send notification after event was scheduled, and we can go ahead and type in a unit of time. And in the drop-down menu on the right, we can select whether that'll be minutes, hours, or days. Underneath that, we can select whether this event announcement that we're creating is for any event that we have, or if we click on the drop-down menu, I can select whether it is for a specific event as well. And do notice that you can only go ahead and select one specific event. If you want to select multiple, you won't actually be able to do that on the screen. So once we've gone ahead and selected the event, underneath we have additional email send rules in terms of who we want this to send to automatically, what's going to prompt it. Now, if we have both of these toggles turned off, send only to specific client types and send only to specific client groups, what's going to happen is it will send it to everybody on your list. So if you go, you know what, because the nutrition and cleansing workshop is only for members, maybe I can go ahead and go send only to specific client types, which in this case maybe only active members. So in this case, other clients in your database will not receive this specific events announcement. And obviously this is a great tool because now we don't have to spam the clients we don't want this to go to, and we can specifically target the clients that we want it to send to. And obviously secondary to that, we can also send it to specific client groups if we wish to. So scrolling further down, we can go ahead and adjust the from name. So this is the from name that's going to appear on the email when the client receives it. The from email address. Now, if you don't want to touch any of this, this is actually set up on the backend setup screen, which I can show you in a little bit where to set that up. We can also go ahead and have this email every time it gets sent to our clients to also send somebody a BCC or a CC as well. And you can set this up so that it sends to multiple people. Simply, if you want to send it to different people, you can go ahead and type in their email, put a comma, and type in the next email, such as this. So it's going to be separated by a comma. Okay. And if you don't want that to send to BCC or CC, you can just leave it as do not send CC or BCC. The subject, so you want to make sure you leave this as something that's enticing and makes sense to what the clients will see, right? Maybe it is, for example, the event that we have is, new nutrition/cleansing workshop, right? So that our clients know exactly what it is without even having to click into the email first, right? So they know that it's relevant to them, and we can go ahead and name the subject line. If you want to go ahead and view what email variables we can include in this template, we can expand this. And any email variables on this page will be relevant to this specific template, making sure that you double check the ones that you want to use, and the description of what that specific variable is used for is going to be on the right hand side. And as you can see, as I go through the screen, I can also copy it to clipboard so I can easily scroll down to the actual template and paste it if I wanted to, if that's something that you wanted to do. Okay, if not, we do already have a default template here with set variables. So once this is good to go, we can go ahead and hit save. And that's going to go ahead and create a secondary email template here for event announcement. So you can see I've already have one previously that was created. And let's go ahead and take a look at how the clients will see it. So I'm now in an inbox for a test email that I sent to myself. If I open this up, I can now see that announcement coming from Moonlight Yoga Studio. It's an event announcement. and exactly the details with the variables that are included in it. And since I've included the book now button, the client that's receiving this can also click on the book now button to redirect them to the online booking flow. Now, this is a great feature because it allows the businesses to go ahead and reach out to your clients, right? To let them know, hey, we have a new exciting event that's just scheduled, and the system will do that for you automatically without you having to remember to maybe send some manual campaign out to your clients or do some other marketing, right? We have it in Wellness Living. You can set it up, and basically it's set up and forget it, right? Because the system will do it for you, and it just saves you a lot more time and making sure that the system actually does what it needs to notify your clients that a new event is upcoming and to go ahead and book it. Now, one thing I did mention earlier that I will show you is where to set up the from name and from email for as a default for your emails going out from Wellness Living. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and go to setup. And from the setup screen, we're going to go on over to business and then email settings. And from this page, you can go ahead and set up the from name and reply to email address. And essentially, this is what's going to pop up as a default for your emails moving forward if that is what you want. Just make sure once you've changed this, just go ahead and save the changes on the bottom right.